Got this bottom tail panel here, the trunk drop. Finally got all these welds ground off. Been slacking for a little bit. Haven't been in here probably I don't know, probably 3 weeks. I don't think I've been in here since the last time I made a video of it. What I plan on doing now is taking probably 100 grit sandpaper, probably going up about right there. So and I got some etch primer. I'm going to cover it for now. So debating on cutting off this rear drop over here. Debating if I should cut it off now. Might put a quarter panel on this thing. I might have to pull this one off later, so I don't know. Don't know if I should cut it or if I should cut it once I get the quarter panel back off or back on. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna touch up some of these welds and grind on them just a little bit. They don't need to be so bad. You grind this one down so it doesn't get in the way of the gas tank. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So just bear with me. Well, all the welds are ground good enough. Don't have to be perfect. They'll then get covered up with some seam sealer. So got in there a little bit. Got in there as much as I could. So I need to sand on this a little bit, rough it up, and I got some epoxy sealer. Spray some epoxy sealer, probably from where that screwdriver's laying. I'm gonna spray back all the way back, and then I'm gonna do underneath of the. Oh, I think I just blew my light bulb. Yeah, I sure did. Spray underneath of there. Spray in the fender well. So just bear with me. I might try to get this thing set up and record some spraying today. I'm not sure. It's wet outside and I want to open the garage. It's raining. Had some nasty weather lately. Well guys, I got it all taped up there. And I sprayed a little bit of epoxy. I got 2 coats of epoxy in there on this new metal. I sprayed a little bit up there. Got the trunk lid off, which gives me a ton more light in here. But it looks like a good coverage. That's the first time I ever sprayed that kind of epoxy. Never heard of it. But here's the brand. And they come with a second part there. But I guess maybe tomorrow I'll get in here and figure out how to spray underneath of the car. This is where I had just enough in the can. I just sprayed that, and that was left in the paint gun. So that was all gone. But spray the tail panel down here. Got a bunch of new parts to put on. I got me some new leaf springs. I got the 1-inch drop leaf springs from CJ Pony. I also got an air cleaner. I got a fan relay switch. Oh, here's another thing I got. These look rough, but these are 68 Shelby taillights. I have the housings up in the other garage, and that'll be my taillight. I got new lenses already. I need to get some new bezels, but yeah, they're going to be sitting in there real nice. The guy that's working on my rear end, he hadn't got that back yet. He ordered one of the clutch pack kits for a posi unit, so he's got to put that back in there, and then I get this rear end cleaned up, finished, and put the leaf springs and rear suspension back under it. So that's what I'm waiting on there. Still need to paint the underneath the car from tail panel up to about the firewall, probably about a foot before you get to the firewall. Once I get all that done, I can get it back down on the wheels and start working with the car and trying to get it started and get it running. Move it around the garage, and maybe I'll do some body work before I ever expected to. But we'll see. So stay tuned. Thank you guys.